Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture or your avatar on the Bloodstrike PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bloodstrike game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu after logging in, if you wish to change your profile image or avatar, then tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. This will then open up the personal info section. Now within the home page, tap on your current avatar, and this will then take you into the avatar section underneath edit info. Here you will have the various different options of avatar to choose from. You can also choose your Steam account profile picture and equip it as your avatar. Just tap on the various available options and you can see a preview at the right side as well. Once you have found your desired one, you can tap on the equip button, and now this will be set as your avatar right away. You can also add a frame to your avatar from the avatar frame section. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your avatar or your profile picture on the Bloodstrike game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.